Hello everyone, welcome to this next video. In this video we shall continue the linked questions whose first part we have done in the previous video. So there, if you remember, we were given two functions fz and gz, and we had at the point z is equal to -1 a double pole for the function fz, right? And we have evaluated the value of alpha as 3. So we have evaluated this to be 3, right? So here they are asking if using that particular value of alpha which we have obtained above, the function g of z that is not conformal at which of these 4 points. So here we have to see about, we have to check about the conformality of the function g of z. So our function g of z that is given to be sine hyperbolic z minus pi by 2 alpha, and alpha was 3 as we have evaluated in the previous video, right? Or in the previous part. So we have sine hyperbolic z minus pi by 6. Now the condition for conformality, it says that a function g of z, this is conformal. The function, this is conformal at a point z whenever we have this condition g of z is equal to 0. So using this condition, we'll find what is the value of z for this, for which this holds, right? So we have this function g of z. So let us take the derivative of this function f dash z. We know the derivative of sine hyperbolic x. So the derivative of this sine hyperbolic z, that is simply cos hyperbolic z. So here we would have cos hyperbolic of the angle is z minus pi by 6, and then using the chain rule, the derivative of this angle. So here it would simply be 1. So we'll substitute this equal to 0 according to the condition. So here we'll check one by one for the given options. So for the first option, we have z is equal to this thing, pi multiplied by 1 plus 3 iota divided by 6. We'll see if at this point, at this value of z, do we have the condition gz is equal to 0 or not. So let us check the condition. So if we substitute in place of this z, this thing, so would we get 0 or not? So let us check. So we would have cos hyperbolic of pi into 1 plus 3 iota divided by 6 minus pi by 6, right? So we can solve this a bit. So we would have pi by 6 plus 3 pi iota by 6 minus pi by 6, right? So this thing cancels with this thing and we are left with cos hyperbolic pi iota by 2. So now we have another result, and it says that cos hyperbolic z, this is equivalent to cos iota z. So these are the basic results. If you do not remember these, just brush them up a little bit. So from here we can write this as cos iota, and then it would be the z is pi iota by 2, right? So it would be cos minus pi by 2 because iota square is -1, and cos minus pi by 2, this comes out to be 0. So for the very first option we got the condition g dash z is equal to 0 at the point z is equal to this one. So we are done with this question. So our correct option would be option number A. As these kind of question, they contain only one correct option, so you could stop here. But in case you wanted to check for others, you may try these options as well. In that case, you won't get g dash z is equal to 0, right? So well, that is it for this video. Thank you for watching.